Hello friends, welcome to my channel Stunning Stargaze. I am here with a new video for you. This video contains some important questions from general knowledge and current affairs. Watching this video will definitely help you, and if you think so, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let us go to the questions. Question number 1. Which polymer is widely used to make bulletproof material? Answer is polycarbonates. Next one, what is the maximum number of the elected members of Rajya Sabha? Answer is 238. Next one, in which island Port Blair, the capital of Andaman Nicobar, is situated? Answer is South Andaman. Next one, which is the first modern university in South India? Answer is Mysore. Next one, where is Netaji Subhash Institute of Sports situated? Answer is Gwalior. Next one, name the forest in Kerala well known for star tortoises. Answer is Chinnar. Next one, who was the first artist to receive the title Kaiser-e-Hind of the British government? Answer is Raja Ravi Verma. Next one, which is the first Indian state to permit the use of laptops and iPads in the assembly? Answer is Kerala. Next one, which chemical substance is used to anodize aluminum surfaces? Answer is zinc oxide. Next one, who is the Arab historian geographer of the Middle Age, also known as the traveler of Islam? Answer is Ibn Battuta. Next one, name the South Indian state with most number of Rajya Sabha seats. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next one, International Women's Equality Day is observed on? Answer is 26th August. Next one, a person who hates women is? Answer is misogynist. Next one, which article of the Indian Constitution defines the duties of the Chief Minister? Answer is Article 167. Next one, where is the first e-waste recycling unit in India? Answer is Bengaluru. Next one, who was the Viceroy of India during the notorious Jallianwala Bagh assassination in 1919? Answer is Lord Chelmsford. Next one, who authored the book titled At the Feet of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next one, where is the first digital art museum in the world? Answer is Tokyo. Next one, which is the first country to conduct an official national land survey making maps? Answer is France. Next one, the famous Kannada novel Chirasmarana is based on which historical event? Answer is Kayur agitation. Next one, which is the major chemical compound found in human kidney stone? Answer is calcium oxalate. Next one, the sun's nearest star neighbor is? Answer is Alpha Centauri. Next one, who discovered the largest known asteroid Ceres? Answer is Giuseppe Piazzi. Next one, which is the most stable form of carbon? Answer is graphite. Next one, which company marketed the world's first laptop computer? Answer is Epson. Next one, the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in? Answer is the Parliament. Next one, which state government has launched one person, one car policy? Answer is West Bengal. Next one, who introduced the term internet? Answer is Windsurf. Next one, who authored the book titled The Wild Iris? Answer is Louis Elizabeth Gluck. Next one, which has become the first country in the world to ban deforestation? Answer is Norway. Next one, the rate at which the RBI lends short-term money to the banks against securities is called. Answer is repo. Next one, name the smallest river of Punjab and is well known as the river of Lahore. Answer is Ravi. Next one, which was the first Asian country to host Paralympics in 1964? Answer is Japan. Next one, the Janata Party government in 1977 appointed a committee to examine the functioning of Panchayat Raj institutions. Who was the leader of that committee? Answer is Ashok Mehta. Next one, who developed Java language? Answer is James Gosling. Next one, the combining capacity of one atom to another is called. Answer is valency. Next one, man is born free but everywhere he is in chains. Who wrote this? Answer is Rousseau. Next one, galena is the ore of the metal. Answer is lead. And next one, riboflavin is the chemical name of which vitamin? Answer is vitamin B2. Next one, from which country's constitution India adapted the concept of collective responsibility? Answer is United Kingdom. Next one, name the military initiatives taken by the government of India to suppress Naxal movement. Answer is Operation Green Hunt. Next one, the God particle is the nickname of a subatomic particle called. Answer is Higgs boson. Next one, the method of cultivating plants without using soil but by using nutrient solution is called. Answer is hydroponics. Next one, International Teachers Day is celebrated on. Answer is October 5. Next one, UGC was set up in which 5-year plan? Answer is 5th 5-year plan. Next one, the first bank in the world is. Answer is Royal Bank of Scotland. Next one, Development as Freedom is a book in economics. Who wrote this? Answer is Amartya Sen. Next one, the highest law officer in India is. Answer is Attorney General. Next one, ballot is powerful than bullets. Who said this? Answer is Abraham Lincoln. Next one, Rawat Bhatta nuclear power station is situated in which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Next one, the first Indian bank to get online banking facility was. Answer is HDFC. Next one, who authored the book titled A Hindu View of Life? Answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Next one, right to education become a fundamental right on. Answer is April 1st, 2010. Next is, in India, the election petitions are heard by. Answer is High Courts and Supreme Court. Next one, the Governor General who is known as the Akbar of British India is. Answer is Lord Wellesley. Next one, National Aquatic Animal of India is. Answer is Gangetic dolphin. Next one, cinnabar is the ore of which metal? Answer is mercury. Next one, the refrigerant freon is chemically? Answer is dichloromethane. Next one, the maximum duration of the 0 hour in Lok Sabha can be? Answer is unspecified. Next one, Golden Jubilee of Parliament of India was celebrated on? Answer is 13th May 2002. Next one, who was the chairman of the Fundamental Rights Committee of Indian Constitutional Assembly? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the last question, Coastal Bank, India's first local area bank, operates in which state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Thank you for watching my video. I am sure this video will definitely help you to score maximum marks in the coming competitive examinations. Wish you all the best.